Hey there, in this tutorial we are going to implement the program of Factorial in Java. So let's just implement this. First of all, create a class and give it any name. Let's just support the Factorial, and here we want to create main class, so just select it and hit finish. Okay, now just remove this text. First of all, declare a variable or integer number for which we are gonna find the factorial. So now use scanner class to take the input. Okay, scanner, import scanner class and create the object of scanner class. Oh, sorry. System dot in. Okay, now let's just suppose take a variable fact and give the value of n to fact. Oh sorry, value of n to fact here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to uh, create a loop, for loop. So for int I equals to n minus 1. Okay, and I should be greater than 1 and I minus minus. And what we are going to do, we are going to assign the value of fact multiplied by I to fact. Okay, now just use this out and print fact. Okay, so let's run this program. Wait, okay, I haven't get the value of n from the user, so n equals to sc dot next int. We are going to get the integer value from the user, so let's run again. Now give value of 5, so factorial of 5 is 120. Yeah, that's right. Just take 3, it's gonna give us 6. Now if we get let's one more example I'm going to show you, that if user take negative number, so it's also giving the answer, but we have to check that if it is negative number, then it should throw that negative number is not allowed, like that. Okay, so just I'm gonna use a if condition. If n less than 0, then it's gonna throw oh, negative numbers are not allowed. Okay, and then everything is in else statement. Now let's run again. Okay, now check for some another number, suppose 25. So I don't know the actual value, but maybe it's giving the correct answer. Check for let's suppose 3. Yeah, it's giving 6. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.